một lần nữa đi.
Một, hai, ba.
Bình minh,
Hai, ba.
bình minh,
Hai, ba.
chúc mừng năm mới.
Rồi ạ. Rồi.
And also green power. So that is very important to have a data center in place. So we are providing a backup generator. So such kind of stable power or grid power has been interrupted. We would like to support that data center can operate continuously. So today I'd like to explain about our product and also this backup generator, how to choose. This is also important. So I'd like to explain about this today. So my name is Yuki Ida, and I'm from Mitsubishi SG Industry and this is Indonesia. So let me introduce our company first. We have been producing diesel generator set from 1981, so 40 years experiences in Singapore. So our major market is APAC, and we have provided more than 12,000 units in this region. So Vietnam is one of the most important markets for us, and we have been providing more than 50, 60 units per year. And we have provided our generator set in data center industries in other countries, and we thank our customers to have given us opportunities to provide our generator sets in this data center industry. So considering our experiences to provide our generator set in data center, I'd like to share the key points how to select diesel generator set in data center industry. So this is today's content. So firstly, I'd like to explain about the diesel generator set market in data center, which is growing very fast. So securing the stable power is the key to operate data center. And diesel generator set will be a backup power for such data center, and choosing the right one is very important. So we will explain by looking at parameters like right sizing, redundancy, reliability, and availability. And lastly, I will explain about the environmental factors which become important day by day. So firstly, I will touch in data center business, data center generator business. So there are 8,000 data centers in worldwide. And this is growing rapidly. All data center requires uninterrupted and reliable energy, which means backup generator set is mandatory. So this diesel generator set market in data center is valued $4.64 billion in 2020. And it is said that it will grow to $5.82 billion in 2026. So this amount is quite big. So investment point of view and also function point of view, choosing a right generator set is very important for data center owner so that they can operate data center properly. So about the function of diesel generator set, the function is to prevent the downtime for the data center. So how it works? So when the main source or the power supply is interrupted, like a grid is interrupted, UPS, we have a UPS in data center. UPS will kick in and supply energy to the essential load, such as servers. At the same time, diesel generator set starts for the preparation. When the diesel generator set is ready for the taking a load, ATS will be switched over to emergency mode, and this diesel generator set will take the load. It takes around 10 seconds for the diesel generator set to take first load. So diesel generator set is selected for backup generator because of the ease of the use in all stages. Diesel generator set is easy to put it into design and also easy to operate. And for the access of the after support is also easy. So this easiness is why diesel generator set is selected for the backup generator. So how to select this diesel generator set? First point is to make it right sizing. To make a right sizing generator set, there are several processes that you have to follow. Firstly, you have to find out what kind of load you have in your data center. Next, you have to check the criteria of the required quality of the electricity. Then you can check the sequence of the loading, power loading, and then the power loading by looking at the parameter written around here. So this is also a kind of technical issue, and we also have a load calculation tool on our side. So if you have any questions about load calculation about the diesel generator set, please contact us for the further support. Also, about the backup generator for data center, redundancy becomes very important compared to conventional usage of the backup generator. So redundancy, how to get redundancy is the key, and you can get redundancy by using system design. If you have N+1 diesel generator set, you can gain redundancy as a system configuration. However, depending on the customer, there are customers who want to have a redundancy in generator set itself. So for generator set, tracking process is one of the most important processes. In this sense, there are customers who require redundancy in starting process, and we have implemented this dual starter system from 2020. For now, most of the customers require this dual starter system because they want to have a redundancy in starting trunking process. This is the status how the dual starter is being used. First, we primer starter fail to trunk. Secondary starter will be kicked in automatically. If it is not automatically, it is quite difficult because it won't change automatically. So this process should be automatically systemized, and then you can have a redundancy in this engine cranking process. Next is the reliability. To choose a reliable generator set is important for data center backup power. For reliability, it is very difficult to define, but how to define this reliability is the key to select the generator set. So reliability has two figures. One is the production quality, And another is the design quality. For the production quality, you have to ensure that all equipment is tested 100%. Not only a generator set, but components should be tested so that you can know that all equipment has a conformity. And also for the design quality, criteria setting is very important. By looking at the generator set, there is a three major components written in here. Alternator, engine, and radiator is a major component for diesel generator set. Alternator is a key component who will affect for the electricity quality. For data center, there are many digital equipment compared to other conventional use. Therefore, harmonic flux will be higher than such kind of a usage. To reduce this harmonic flux, you need to use a low impedance alternator. So such kind of a selection is important to use this data center generator set. Next is engine. Engine is a power source of the diesel generator set, and reliability is most important. Mitsubishi engine is used not only generator set and not only generator sets but marine use, industrial use, and known as its durability. Our generator set engine is made in Japan, and it is known as a durable engine. And also performance-wise, it is very important, and it will be also compliant to the requirement written here. So radiator itself is important to prevent the overheating in the worst conditions. So designing the criteria for the radiator is very important to prevent overheat. So we had a customer who said that our radiator is over capacity because he did a test at site, and according to his experience, our cooling water temperature was way lower than other competitors. This is one of the criteria setting. So this generator set is used in data center for more than 15 years. In these 15 years, there are deteriorations. So we are assuming that there is a deterioration, so we make some kind of a margin at the beginning, so that this diesel generator set can run 100% in worst case of condition in 15 years. So such kind of design setting is very important, and we explained this to customers, and customer was very happy to know that this generator set can run continuously in 15 years. So next will be availability. Availability is very important currently because now Vietnam market is a potential market everyone is looking for, and once this kind of investment happens, the market will grow very fast. When market grows very fast, equipment is required in relatively short period. So this availability is very important. For our side, we store critical parts in Singapore so that we can provide our generator set in relatively short period. We had a customer in 2020 who required generator set in relatively short period because tenant is confirmed, so they need the equipment in very short period. As we have critical parts and engineer in Singapore, we can meet this short lead time and also special test requirement in data center and provide a generator set in this data center. So if you have a project or requirement, please contact us so that we can support you on this availability as well. So next is product support. For data center operation, This support is very important because in the data center operation is the most important part. So for our side, we have a subsidiary in Vietnam near Ho Chi Minh, and also we have a dealer in Hanoi as well. We provide not only a service or parts, but we also provide a training so that data center operator can use our generator set locally. So lastly, I will touch on the environmental factor, which is becoming very important now. It is said that emergency backup generator, they emit around 5% of CO2 for all the data centers. So it is not small value. So customer requires CO2 reduction for emergency power as well. To achieve this requirement, changing the fuel is the most easiest approach. Changing a fuel to a biofuel, which is called HVO, and you can reduce 90% of CO2 by using this fuel. We are also evaluating this fuel so that you can also reduce CO2 in diesel generator set as well. Yeah, this is the last for my slide. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any further requirement or questions, please come to my booth. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Yukida. So, moving swiftly along, the next session, we'd like to add another keynote, and if I can invite up onto the stage Mr. Raymond Koh, Regional Sales Manager from Pillar Power in Singapore, and he'll be talking about medium voltage and